If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload my new video. You will get the notification, and do like and share my videos. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. So this video is especially for civil engineering students, and in this video I am going to explain what are all the sectors and domains we have in civil engineering. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and do share this video if you find this is useful for you. So first we'll see what are all the major domains and sectors we have in civil engineering. So first we have major sector, that is building construction. So in this building construction we used to build commercial as well as residential buildings. So next we have roads and bridge constructions, and third we have major domain, that is a very trendiest sector in civil engineering, that is pre-engineering building constructions. So first we will see in building design. Okay, so in building design we have first planning and drafting. So if you want to enter into this planning and drafting, you should have a civil fundamental skills, and you should have a technical skills like AutoCAD and SketchUp. So if you learn these technical skills, definitely you can able to enter into planning and drafting domain in building construction. So next we have design and analysis in building construction. If you want to enter into this particular design and analysis domain in building construction, you should know civil engineering fundamentals. Next you should know about Revit architecture, and you should know about analysis softwares like ETABS and StatPro. So if you learn these technical skills, if you build these technical skills, definitely you can able to enter into a design and analysis domain in building construction. One thing I will tell you, if you want to enter into any domain, you should have a basic knowledge about civil engineering fundamentals. So next we have construction. If you want to enter into this construction domain, you should have knowledge about basic civil engineering fundamentals. Next you should have knowledge about building materials, what are all the materials we use to construct the buildings. Next you should know about AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is mandatory if you want to enter into a construction domain. Okay, so if you really interested in this domain, you should have to develop these technical skills which will help you to crack any interview in the particular domain. So next we'll see what are which are the companies we have in building construction domain. So we have Tata Construction, Sobha Developers and Brigade Gateway. So we have many, apart from these companies we have many more companies are there where we can get a job in the building constructions. So next we have second domain, that is roads and bridge construction. If you want to enter into this roads and bridge construction sector, you have three major domains. So first we have planning and drafting. So if you want to enter into this planning and drafting in roads and bridge construction, you should have skills like civil engineering fundamentals, AutoCAD and Bentley MicroStation. If you have these technical skills, definitely you will have an opportunity to enter into this planning and drafting in roads and bridge construction. So next we have one of the major domain, that is analysis in roads and bridge construction. So if you want to enter into this particular analysis domain in roads and bridge construction, for separate for road construction we have separate technical skills, and as well as for bridge construction we have separate technical skills where you should have to concentrate to develop those technical skills. If you want to enter into analysis domain in roads and bridge construction, you should have technical skills like MX road, open road, civil 3D, and you should know about infra works. So these are all the technical skills you should know if you want to enter into a road construction domain. Next, if you want to enter into a bridge construction domain, you should have knowledge about Tekla structures, ETABS and SAP. So if you know all these technical skills, definitely you can enter into roads and construction domain in civil engineering. So next we have construction domain. If you want to enter into construction domain, you should have knowledge about AutoCAD, and then you should have knowledge about surveying, and obviously you should know civil engineering fundamentals. Definitely if you learn these technical skills, definitely you can enter into particular domain what I have explained you. If you develop these technical skills, definitely you can enter into this particular domain. So next we'll see what are the companies we have for this roads and bridge construction. So we have many MNCs like Hindustan Constructions, L&T, IRB Infrastructure, Patel Engineering, and Ramkey Infrastructure. So these are the major companies where they are working in roads and bridge construction. So next we have one of the trendiest domain in civil engineering, that is pre-engineering building construction. In this sector also you have three major domains. One is planning and drafting. So if you want to enter into this planning and drafting, you should have knowledge about AutoCAD and you should have some of the civil engineering fundamentals. So if you develop these technical skills, definitely you can enter into planning and designing in pre-engineering building construction. So next we have analysis in pre-engineering building construction. If you want to enter into analysis in pre-engineering building construction, you should have knowledge about civil engineering fundamentals. Next you should have knowledge about ETABS, and you should have knowledge about ANSYS Workbench, where these where these tools are using to do an analysis in pre-engineering building construction. So if you develop these skills, definitely you can enter into this particular domain. So next we have one of the major domain in this pre-engineering building construction, that is construction part. If you want to enter into this construction, definitely you should have some of the civil engineering fundamental skills. Next you should know AutoCAD to read the drawings to fabricate all those pre-engineering parts. So if you learn these technical skills, definitely you can enter into these particular domains. So we will see what are the major companies we have where they are working into this pre-engineering building construction. So we have many MNCs like Hindustan Construction, Larsen and Turbo, and many more we have apart from these things. So definitely if you develop your skills as per their requirement, definitely you can enter into a particular domain. Definitely you can crack any interview. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please share to your friends. Do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my interesting videos. Thank you.